Hello everybody! In today's video, I'll be opening the doors and guide you through the introduction of the latest and newest feature from ChatGPT, which is the shopping feature. Whether you're searching for the perfect gift, new gadget, or just price checking, well, this built-in feature does all the digging for you. So, let's get started. To activate the shopping feature, what I'm going to do, and I'll show you, go to this one, the tools button, click it, and have this search the web attached and activated right there. And this allows ChatGPT to access up-to-date results from the web. And yes, this feature is available to everyone, whether you're on the Plus, Pro, or even free plan. No upgrades required, by the way. So once it's turned on right over here, you can start by asking a product-related question. For example, I have one right here. What's a good budget-friendly wireless headset for remote work? All right, within seconds, once I send this over, ChatGPT will fetch like live product listings based on what you asked. Right, searching the web right now. Okay. As you can see, right over here, here are the product recommendations. See right here, this is the new feature that popped up. Like you can highlight these right here. And by the way, once you click on any product recommendations, like this one, right over here, a side tab opens on the right. And here you'll see more images. Look at that. And then seller options right here. And if you click a seller link, you can click buy anything, it will be taken directly to that product's website, ready to buy. Now, once you keep scrolling down to that same panel, you'll also find like shopping insights, like why you might like this or what people are saying right here, just to have you pick your interest and such. So yeah, these summaries help you make informed decisions or choices very quickly. Now, back to the main chat window right over here. You can scroll down, and as you can see, beneath that, you'll see extra details about each listings right there. Quick recommendations, why these, pro buying tips, and also you could scroll up for more details on the top picks that ChatGPT recommended for you, which is these ones, are these ones right over here. Price comparisons and such, and yep, all designed just to help you figure out which one is truly right for you. See right here, all very informed. Look at that. Now here's another thing I'd like to show you within this feature. Now if you go over to one of these product recommendations, you'll see this popped up, ask about this, right here. Hold on, suddenly can scroll down. Okay, so once you click ask about this, that product with this one, it gets instantly added to your prompt bar, so you can ask like follow-up questions. Just say, for instance, you want like a direct comparison. You could ask like this one. How does this compare to the second headset option, which is this one? Okay, all you're gonna do is send this prompt over now with this attached right here. But don't forget to check this one just to make sure. All right, you can press either the enter key or click this. All right, just give it a few moments. All right, and once it's sent, ChatGPT has done its research. It'll break down the comparisons, like each feature right here, like also its purpose, comfort and build, battery life, connectivity. There we go. The price with both of them. And then down here, recommendations. There's the consensus, like the bottom line. And yep, all in one place. And that way, on this method, with using the ask about this on one of the product recommendations, and for instance, or anything specific you have in mind, just to delve deeper within that product, just so we could reassure your interest in that product. So yeah, this is a game changer for anyone who hates switching between tabs and reading a dozen review sites just to make a decision. And yeah, that is your introduction to the shopping feature in ChatGPT. So, whether you're buying tech, home goods, or anything in between, you now have a smart assistant to help you compare and decide. If you find this video helpful overall, don't forget to subscribe to get you notified whenever we post a new video. And also, smash that like button. That will help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for watching, everybody, and happy shopping at ChatGPT. Bye.